Whoa. Woke up early, got the charts on my mind. NasDaq moving, I'm ready to grind. ICT full locked in my zone. Reading first action, a league of my own. Smart money moves, I'm catching their wave. Institutional levels, that's home day. Order blocks marked, I'm watching the flow. Market structure shifts, know it's time to go. NasDaq swings, I'm out in the tide. ICT knowledge, I'm traded with pride. Risk is calculated, profits are mine. In the game of the markets, I'm on the climb. NasDaq swings, I'm riding the tide. ICT knowledge, I'm traded with pride. Risk is calculated, profits are mine. In the game of the markets, I'm on a climb. Dealing with liquidity, grabbing that prize. Hitting those targets, precision my eyes. Fair value gaps, I'm filling the void. Follow with a smart money, don't never decoy. Displacement on the charts, top me in the trade. Patience in my strategy, that's how I'm made. Candle by candle, I'm beating the signs. NasDaq momentum, I'm crossing the lines. NasDaq swings, I'm out in its eye. ICT knowledge, I'm trading with pride. Risk is calculated, profits are mine. In the game of the markets, I'm on the climb. Breakers, mitigation, I've studied them all. From the highs to the lows, I've answered the call. Sniper entries, precision's the key. Trading NasDaq like it's meant to be. CME open, unlocked on my screen. ACT strategy, chasing that green. Judging the bias from London and New York markets. My playground, using my fork. It's all about patience, controlling the skill. Napping the entries and closing with thrill. That's my stage, ICT's my guide. In this world of trading, I'm taking the ride. So I study the charts day in and night. ICT's teachings, they guide my sight. In the NasDaq's rhythm, I find my way. Trading this market every single day. Dealing with liquidity, grabbing that prize. Hitting those targets, precision my eyes. Fair value gaps, I'm filling the void. Follow with a smart money, I'm never decoyed. Displacement on